Okay, so npm.scriptExplorerAction. The default click action used in the scripts explorer, open or run, the default is open. So this pertains to what happens when you click one of these lines. Now, by default, this is set to open, which means that when you click, for example, the build, it's going to open the package.json, and it's going to show you the build command. And the other option you have is run. So if you click it, it will actually run the script. Now, I would prefer open for the simple reason that you already have a play button there. So if you set it to run, both the whole line and the play button will run the script. If you set it to open, you click the line, you open the package.json, but if you click the play button, you're going to run the script. So you get the best of both worlds. So because of that, I'm going to leave this option set to open.